Alright everyone, this is day 154. Let's get started with our watch list. Okay, Aussie, Canadian, there's just no directional bias, even on the lower time frame. On the daily, it's just up and down, rangy stuff, so no trades. Aussie Swiss, yeah, it's stuck in a range as well, so no trade as well. Although we've got the trigger here, just doesn't look like it wants to go anywhere. It's just barely crossing that level. So, and on the lower time frame, there's just not enough impulse up. If you wanted a small risk, yep, you got to push up, the pullback, and then other upside here. That's all you're gonna maybe get. Still got 1 hour, yeah, but only because of this trigger. But other than that, there's not quite enough of it. You see, even this impulse failed. So let's not rush into this. Aussie yen, there's this trend line on the daily. You can see it here, the trend line. But it's pretty grindy. So not gonna trade it, not gonna do anything until we've got some hints of a direction. Aussie New Zealand dollar, last 2 days has been up. Even yesterday, trying to trade through this would not have been ideal, right? We're at this level right now, so yep, we want to just watch this area, be careful on the upside especially, because this could be a pullback reversal to the downside. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for it to like break this level. So let's just set alert and let's see what happens. Aussie dollar, we got a push down yesterday, went to ADR, low ADR, got the pullback on NT. So yeah, it's just not very nice. Even on the daily, there really isn't a directional bias, so let's stay out. Cat Swiss, it hit the top ADR. Alright, the open way down here, and then hit ADR on the top side, and then a quick pullback. So right now it's at the weekly level. It's just nothing I see right now that I would trade. Cat Yen, got the monthly, got the weekly. Yeah, we got this top here. Yeah, we got the weekly top here. It's quite obvious. But it's just not ready for the reversal quite yet. Like this try, push down, but didn't make a lower low, so we didn't play the anti, and rightly so. They just grind back up again. Swiss yen got the high and then a low all in one candle. So you've got this swing here, right? And then make a lower low. So right now I don't even know what he wants to do. I don't see a directional bias. So I'd rather stay out. Euro, Aussie dollar. It's just tough trading environment for me. Yeah, and there's just so many levels here that don't even know what to do. We gotta wait for this breakout and not worry about anything. Let it break down. Or, you know, push back up, because it's not making higher highs, it's just making lower highs. So I don't know, downside it is. Euro cap. It's lower low, lower low, but it's just getting, the swings are just getting smaller and smaller, which I don't really want to trade. And then we got levels here, we got the weekly low here. Horrible stuff. I don't want to trade this. Euro Swissy got narrow range, but that's not enough to put anything on the radar. I mean, eyeballing this, we've got this level, this imaginary trend line, but that doesn't mean anything. I won't trade anything off just that. Oh wow, I don't see a trade here actually. Euro, GBP. Yeah, we got this swing and then this push down. So we might play the anti or the pullback to the downside trade. Not too sure how this will turn out. You never are. You're playing the probability. So this one maybe is one trade I might watch, but even then it's just down and up, and we'll see, because technically it's still on the uptrend here, but maybe something to the downside. I'll decide later, but right now, nope. Euro, yen, my alert is still there. We want this level to break before we do anything, at least for me, right? How do you trade this? Well, you can trade the top and bottom of the ranges, but it's always easy on hindsight. It's not something I like to do, so I'm not gonna do it. Euro, New Zealand, not going anywhere. We got that, and then we got this top here. So yeah, let's check back later. It's just really lousy at the moment. So I'm just gonna set alert, breaks down, pull back, then maybe we might get a trade. We're playing the anti on the daily time frame. Euro, US dollar. nicely touch the ADR and reversal, like over here. Quite crazy, isn't it? So I like the Euro GBP, right? So right now it's just consolidating. Price is just consolidating here right now. So let's see if it breaks downside. Or it breaks upside. Hey, we just want to see. No trades actually. It's just whoop, back up, whoop. So really tough. British pound, Aussie dollar. On the daily, still down. But there isn't any nice swings that I see to take a trade from. So best to stay out. GBP, Canadian. We've got the narrow range yesterday. Push down, pull back, and then down. But how do you trade this pullback? It's a tough pullback to trade. It's not clean at all. Yeah, I'm not so keen on trading this. Maybe we wait for, maybe we do the ADR plays. So let's wait for ADRs to be hit. Other than that, nothing. British pound, Swiss, we got the push up, anti, right, hitting ADR and then down. So yeah, so this is one of those trades we can play the up, down, and then maybe back up here. Even then, so maybe the trigger would have been somewhat here. We kind of missed that already, so let's see if we can get another entry near there. Maybe worth watching, but I wouldn't get too crazy over it. Yeah, it's just tough. British pound yen. On the daily time frame, we got to push up, push back down, so could be the pullback of this move here. On the daily, yeah, we got the higher low swing, but even then this swing isn't super nice, so we just could just put a flag out. And then similar, the entry may have already been triggered this morning, earlier this morning. Really tight trading stuff. Something like that. Kind of missed it already, so but even then it's not super nice. It's just grindy stuff. British pound, New Zealand dollar. On the daily, it's just rangy stuff you can see on the lower time frame. It's just stuck in this box right now. It's just rangy stuff. I'm not gonna trade this. British pound, US dollar. I think it's very similar to the US, the Euro USD, right? We've got push down, consolidation. Let's see if we can break back down. GBP, we got to push down, back up here. Oscillator says he wants to go up some more instead of coming back down. So yeah, in this type of move, it's probably 50-50. There's no edge. I don't see a real edge. I don't know which direction it's gonna go, so we'll set the alerts and see what happens. We'll call this and same here. New Zealand CAD on the daily, got a push up and then the pullback, so somewhat 1, 2, 3 wave pullback. Could go all the way back down, and this isn't a pullback anymore. But you can see the lows, the extending waves are just getting smaller and smaller. The trend for the downside could be dying. Yeah, set here and see if it breaks up, and New Zealand, Swiss, higher high, pull back. Right, we got the push down, and then push back up. So this could be the pullback of this move. Because of this on the daily we got the push up, the pullback, and then up. Will that happen? Yeah, I mean, we'll just take a look and see. It's just really tight range. New Zealand yen, likewise on the daily. Yeah, I mean, it's just hit and miss stuff. I mean, we've got this level here, the previous month level here, right? Acting as some sort of support. Other than that, that's the only thing going for us. Yeah, I might trade this, just a small position just to warm up the session, but other than that, nothing too crazy. New Zealand dollar, almost hit ADR and then bounce back up again. US dollar Canadian, I had a profitable trade yesterday. I think highlighted in the watch list. We got up, pull back, and up. So that was pretty nice. Yeah, I took it around. Yeah. No, I waited for that break and then it pulled back. So this was actually a nice trade. I came out here. I got 1-to-1. Played it safe. Well, still profit, right? So nice. So this one you see is really nice. Push up, pull back down, clean. This is like a typical entry I'll take over and over again. It's too easy. So right now it's nothing. Let's leave it. US dollars, we see big push up, hitting ADR, push back down. It's just not so fun to trade like that. I'm not gonna do anything. US dollar, yen. We got push back. We got push up yesterday, pull back. This pullback is fairly deep. But has good RR if we take it back up here again. But it's pretty deep here. Yeah, could be worth a punt. Not so convincing trades today. So smaller position sizes definitely. Let's lower the risk. If we're gonna trade anything, nothing so clear cut. So no point risking crazy stuff. Okay, leases. Yeah, nothing to mention. Maybe breaking this level again. Nasdaq. Still rangy stuff. Dow. Nothing to note. Wow. TSX, the Aussie index, hitting weekly ADR. So that's worth a note. We'll play a reversal. So let's set alert here. Let's see if it gets there. That's the only thing I would do, overstretch itself. It's actually recovering really well and it's gone above this level here. Wow. How's the Aussie market for you, man? So let's take note. Oh, they added new colors, so I'm gonna just use the new colors. The Nikkei. Yeah, we drew a channel yesterday on the video. So this morning is a nice push up. Alright, you've got to be awake to catch this kind of move, and if you want to catch them at all. I'm not an expert on indices. I just look at them. If there's any obvious tricks, I take them. If there's no obvious tricks, then too bad. Not gonna rush into a trade. The FTSE, yeah, looks like it wants to go up, doesn't it? It just wants to go up some more. Yeah. Let's see if it pulls back a bit. And then I'm not gonna do anything. Okay, US dollar crude. It's continuing the grind up. Yeah, can't catch anything. Won't chase it, so silver. Silver is just, we got pushed down, pushed back up near weekly levels. Can it come down? Might be interesting. So let's see. Let's just set alert when it breaks here. Actually, we got this an empty cell because of this push down, push up. It's a pretty big pullback, but still might be okay. We'll see. Gold. Similar, but price action, I just don't like this at all. Still grinding up. I don't like this. I don't know how to trade these, so let's not trade it. We'll just wait a couple more hours and see if any volatility can help point the direction. So other than that, I think that's it. Looks like a pretty quiet day. Some of these are not really very obvious trades, although I have them up. So we're gonna take it easy. Remember, have a mental preparation. Tell yourself, you know what kind of day it is gonna probably be. So don't risk too much and be safe. Okay, cheers.